first part of every day for me is good. I've got the bus stop in my neighborhood, and everything's on purpose everywhere they go. Hiding in my car and running in the snow, running with the friends they'll know for years. I've seen it all from here, from here. It happens every day before they go to school. They play until the bus drives up beside my lawn. And there's always been a mother who waits till they are gone, and she turns away. Happens every day. Noon comes and turns this campus upside down. I watch the students in this college town. You would think they're carefree, I've seen their trials, frowning into Shakespeare and practicing their smiles, even underlining Nabokov when I am not enough. It happens every day with their journals in cafes, looking up at their reflection on the other wall, with every new idea, wondering if they've changed at all. And then they look away. Happens every day. As hard and as easy as they say, walking the steps we've chosen on this day. Some will be outrageous, some have rarely shown. Some will walk in couples, some will walk alone. As I think about the world I see, they stare and smile at me. It happens every day at the crossing of the street, looking out to see what's new and what's just the same. And the